lecture, we will review how psychology affects employee productivity. An article by NeuroLaunch in 2026. Productivity isn't a personality trait, it's the output of specific psychological conditions. And getting those conditions wrong tanks performance, regardless of how talented your workforce is. Cognitive load, emotional regulation, and self-efficacy each independently predict how much someone actually accomplishes in a given day. Self-efficacy, the belief that you're capable of succeeding at a specific task, turns out to be one of the strongest predictors of workplace performance. People who believe they can handle a challenge persist longer, recover faster from setbacks, and take on harder problems voluntarily. Confidence isn't fluff here. It's a measurable driver of output. Attention is the other underappreciated variable. Constant notifications and context switching don't just feel distracting, they measurably degrade the quality of decision-making and the depth of problem-solving employees are capable of. Applying productivity psychology and maximizing mental performance on the job often means removing friction and interruptions rather than adding more motivational posters to the break room. According to Nawaz, 2026, the role of psychology in enhancing employee productivity is now more important than ever. Businesses increasingly rely on psychological principles to improve focus, communication, motivation, emotional safety, and workplace relationships. Employees are not machines. They are human beings with emotions, stress, goals, habits, and social needs that directly affect how they perform. Psychology helps organizations understand why some teams thrive while others struggle. It explains how motivation works, why stress reduces performance, and how leadership behavior shapes employee morale. Most importantly, it gives practical solutions that help people work better without destroying their mental health.